to y'all.
Tell us about that Line of Fire Battle League, man.
How that thing even started? What made y'all want to do it?
Basically, I was, you know what I mean, me and my man Bam G, we was fans of the, you know, Smack movement.
Yeah,
Smack
DVD.
You know, King of the Dot, you know, all the battle leagues and stuff like that. And we thought it would be cool if we brought it to Charleston to get some people off the street instead of everybody and all the young people killing each other, you know, like, you know, physically kill each other verbally.
Yeah, I like that, you know what I'm saying? I like that bullshit over bars.
Yeah, you know.
Bars over bullshit.
Yeah.
Right, the wrong way. That's what's up, man.
You looking like they taking it there, though. Look like they're going to kill each other.
Yeah, that's how they look. That's how serious it is for they think. It's like a soldier going to war. Rocky Salone.
In basketball, they get emotional, you know what I mean? So everybody get emotional with it.
Yo, Mike just killed you. Birdie, come back and serve you with a burger or two.
Yeah. You know?
You don't fit me. You know, beef is like working at Wendy's.
Yeah, we got a battle coming up on the 23rd. It's a big card. We got my man Richie Roy coming down from New York. We got Britt Bratt as a special guest, man. You know what I mean? Stuff like that. You know, I'm battling Suave Daddy. Okay. We got a lot of people on that card. I can't.
Like, I see how packed it was. I saw it. I was like, dang, that thing looked like it was Jack. Like the last name was Ripper.
Yeah, it's gotta be.
Dang, that thing was packed like y'all was going on a trip. I was wondering where y'all was suitcase y'all
I
had.
got people calling me from Atlanta and stuff. You know,
that's good, man. You creating something good, man. Like I said, that's why you're here. Those to watch. Because I was like, I see what he's doing. I definitely want to sit down with him, man.
For real, man.
You know, and I ain't a feel good talk when I say, hey, I want to get you on the show. I ain't saying that to say that. I'm always, anybody know colors always 100. So definitely.
What's up with the situation with Lucky, though, man?
That's for real? Oh, this man go there. He go there.
Easy asked me about Lucky, man. I get my man's, dog, but
not national, man.
Basically, I'm not trying to, you know what I mean? I respect any man, you know what I mean? Basically, I think he's a little salty because he threw the statements in the crowd or whatever. He might be a little mad at that. I know, I mean, I'm not going to down talk the man, you know what I mean? He does good music, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I got to get him on there too, yeah.
At the end of the day, he want me, you know what I mean? A lot of them want me, so they do a lot of things like try to come at my team, say little stuff on Facebook.
So it's all fun. It ain't like you're Lucky trying to sun you.
Nah, he don't mean nothing by it.
Okay, he just trying. I got you. It's like WWE.
Yeah, he's like WWE.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh man! So you trying to say if he was here right now, it wouldn't even be. It would be Daps right now. It wouldn't even be, you know.
He's WWE.
He's so stupid. I guess he's WWE. That's funny.
All that. You just come to Line of Fire. You know what I mean? I won't sound cocky or anything like that. I'm confident. I'm gonna try to bite your head off at the end.
That's what you're supposed to do. You know what I'm saying? You're hungry. You gotta, you know what I'm saying? Eat this food right on the plate.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. That's good.
He's all gone.
So I mean, that's definitely so it's a once a month thing, twice a month. Like how y'all rocking?
We're gonna try to do it like once every month. You know what I mean? Let it marinate on the videos and stuff like that.
Yeah, definitely. Like Church's Chicken.
You know
what?
KFC, man.
Yeah, KFC is better though. Popeye's better than all of them.
Yeah, you already know.
Popeyes be off the chain. I thought it was Kunta or something.
Real food. Let's go. Turn up.
No green.
My man.
MG fam, you know, boy.
That boy crazy.
But yeah, that's cool. So y'all doing one every month, man. I definitely want to definitely come out to the 23rd is the next one. I'll be at Money Can birthday party. It's my dude for a minute. So
I mean, it starts before then. It starts at 6 o'clock. You know what I mean? Come at there at 6 o'clock, catch some of it. You know what I mean? When you go party, go party. You know what I mean?
Yeah, for somebody who don't have a car, somebody who catch Carter might have to just do one. So the Carter people, the ones who do Carter have to choose.
Or better yet, just get on the Carter and take the cab from the
$5 Express.
Where's this place? Is it the mall?
Fifth Ave Couture.
I keep hearing about it.
It's by Tuxedo Junction.
Over there by the Ice Palace.
Yeah, right there, right there.
Okay. And there's a hair place over there still too, right? I think there's a hair salon, maybe it closed down. I know one time somebody said they had a hair salon. They wanted me to come over there and promote over that side. Maybe it was years ago. Might have closed. Okay, they used to be, yeah. This is kind of like they do like African twists and stuff like that. But, yeah, I don't know if it's still over there. That's cool though. And what's the one after this one?
Like the battle?
This is 23rd, and what after 23rd?
We going for the 28th or something like that. The 20th. We're gonna go for the 20th or something like that. We're gonna have all new battles on that card, you know what I mean? All
Okay.
new,
How much is to get in?
It's $5 entry.
Okay, ain't nothing wrong with that. Mine's $2. You think I'm being too
$5,
cheap?
baby.
Yeah.
Think I'm being too cheap?
You
You
can't beat no $5.
Y'all know anybody interested, bring them out, you know what I mean?
Yeah. I mean, I think y'all got all the battlers. I don't really know any. Actually, I know what
Always
y'all.
more.
Yeah, I mean the
Always
ones I've
more.
ran across that. But I know I might link you with her. There's a good friend of mine. She promotes books and art and authors and artists. And she a good friend of her that does business with her. He does a lot of battle promotions up in Virginia area. So maybe I can link y'all. Y'all can probably bridge that
definitely do
gap. So I'm gonna talk to Indie Love. I know she's with it, and I'll give you your info. If you get a call from an Indie Love or friend request from Indie Love, then that's
Appreciate it.
yeah. I mean that's what I'm about. You know, linking, connecting the dots without using a pencil.
Right.
Colors got
You
balls.
go, it's called
Colors got balls.
He trying to, you know what I mean?
I used to, I used to do this. It's been a while, but I used to.
Take a loss.
Yeah, I don't want battle colors.
No, I ain't battling. I ain't about that now. I mean, I
You might
used to.
battle him, he gonna send you a text message at 6 o'clock in the morning, man.
You remember those days, right?
Yeah.
I used to kill with that.
He'll
That
send
was
you
the
10
text
of them
business.
text messages.
Good morning, how you
Get up
doing?
and run
Hey,
that
coming this somebody. What? That was a very lucrative business right there. That text blast business.
Boy, he was
20 to
gonna
25. I used to kill it, man. Let me get your number. I'll shoot you. Keep you in the loop of everything.
And I want to say this too, because they think it's a New York versus Charleston thing going on right now. There's none of that going on right
People
now.
always gotta make everything something, man. Just let's have fun.
Yeah, it's lucky, man.
His man Lucky, WWE, man.
But my judge on every man. His name not like that.
You on Facebook right now as we speak?
Right.
Who I am, bro?
Oh, I gotta bring him on the show. Hear his story next week. That's how they do a Hot 97, right?
Y'all gonna be here forever.
I can't book nobody else on that show.
Nah.
No, I got Bam next week. Bam, and I'm waiting to hear back from somebody. But that's crazy though, man.
I mean, you my man. You know, it's all friendly fire. Man.
Yeah, he gets a WWE. That's funny. But that's always been Lucky. Ever since I've known Lucky, like I used to manage artist Sean Treasy, and when Lucky were like childhood friends. Then when Treasy started getting some notoriety, it started being like he going at him like you fake, you colors bitch. It was just, I was like, what? It was just crazy. Man, I'm just Luck. When I see Luck, I'm dapping. He's like, yeah, man, everything good. I was like, yeah, everything always good. But
I had to be there, man. I gotta be there in the moment, man. It be on fire in there. That's what we call it.
yeah, I saw Britt Brass not Britt Brass. B Kiddo said she gotta check it out. At first I was like, what she talking about in Line of Fire?
I hope she listen. We trying to get her out here to battle somebody.
Why? You need all that Queen Cat. You need to bring Queen Cat out, man.
If she do it, we got somebody for her, man. Shout out Riz J, you know what I mean? Miss Rhonda, the first females to do it, you know what I mean? Lady Line of Fire, we gonna try to get that in the
Yeah,
works.
let me know. You need help with that option. You do it to you, man.
Right.
Yeah, man. I'm here to help, man.
Oh, yeah. Shout out East Rilla, man. I don't know if y'all know her. She
No, I'm listening. When people say name female rappers I don't know, I listen and I be like, let me do my research. Where can I check them out at? And then I start,
She got balls, man.
like Hershey.
Yeah, that
battle too, man.
That was cold.
Yeah, Ronda got punchlines for days too, man. Ronda carried weight. You know what I'm saying? Like
Yeah.
Colombian drug. And I mean literally now.
Hey, she's
Yeah,
good.
son.
She
Yeah, she can spit. She be
spit.
spitting like them pitchers on baseball fields.
Yeah, man. Shout out to Ty Prince too, man.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
the homie right there, too.
1090 Bueno gang. He in the
Part
big-
of that too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the big homie, man.
Me,
Yeah.
Skinny,
Ty
De
Prince.
Niro,
Yeah.
Stacks, you know what I mean?
Bro, man.
Ty Prince.
Yeah.
And
Well, I keep thinking about Malcolm. What's his name? Death Star. I keep for a second. Some
who
reason.
is that?
What are you talking about, man? Right now?
Boy,
The one who got battled.
I ain't even much want to give son no shout out. I didn't want to say his name.
Oh, okay.
But you yeah.
Really, man?
I didn't want to say his name. You know what I'm saying?
But yeah, my man, La Reels, man, without him it wouldn't be possible. He let us, use the store, you know what I mean, for the venue and whatnot. We try to bring it back to the old school, like, kind of street feel, but not kind of street feel. You know?
So y'all have no problem with security and beefing, or where y'all at with that?
We got security and stuff like
Okay,
that.
so somebody get mad, or they get mad because they man lose.
Basically, let me tell you about that. If you get mad and lose, the crowd gonna kick you out.
So y'all got a whole following, y'all got a whole support
Yeah,
system
man,
in there,
it's
like a covering addict.
Basically like that. Somebody get out of hand, everybody, be quiet, hold it down, let them rap. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, I got you.
But
Okay.
we got security just in case. Just in case you won't listen to the crowd, then the crowd and the security can slam you outside.
Yeah, body slam that boy. Hulk Hogan
And
style.
they ain't getting upset, just stupid, man. Because what y'all boys doing right now, dog.
Yeah,
there's a lot of
city, bro.
Yeah, I remember when Rissa J was doing it, you know what I'm saying? Back at the I can't even remember where that event was.
Shout
That's
out
what we
Rissa.
was doing. We was at the
Good lord,
Right there
Toshiba
right
was
there.
out there. That's when I first met everybody. I mean, a lot of the
right there on D Road.
no, it wasn't on DJ Road when Rissa J first did it. It was Press don't remember the location, but yeah, the bike club over there on Rivers. I can't remember the name of it. After Toshiba left it and started doing freelance, it's like it didn't exist no more. I can't remember the name of it. Bids.
Bids.
Yeah, she was do Bids Bar and Grill like Rissa J. They do the thing where it was Lucky versus Renegade. It used to be Skinny versus somebody else. Yeah, they were doing the battling out there.
There was a lot of people out and bite their head off camera. I ain't even gonna say it.
Oh, okay. You and Black Boy went into it yet?
Black Boy?
Yeah.
That's my boy though, man.
I mean, not in but just to see who which lion got the fiercest tongue.
In order to battle me, you gotta have some wins under your belt.
Oh, okay. So you like the champion out there?
I wouldn't say I'm the champion, but I'm not gonna battle you if I know I'm gonna kill you. I want to have all classics. So when you watch it, you gonna be like both of them winning.
Oh,
It's
okay.
hard to tell.
I got you. Want to build that fan base up like Tartar.
That's like that's like you fighting somebody and they don't want to fight you back. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got you saying bully versus a little nerd or something. I got you. Want Andre and John and one song and Hulk Hogan. You want that thing to be epic,
Yeah.
like the records that don't really.
You want to battle, man?
No. I will battle. What are you talking about?
Because I mean, you want to battle people?
I don't give myself my ass handed to me at my restaurant. I'll be at the radio.
I don't want to lose, man. I can't.
Yeah, right. The other way around.
Yeah,
Man,
take
take
no
me out. Yo,
L.
colors first off, nigga. Stop texting me 3 in the morning, nigga. Oh, say last CD out. Where was that? Stick to this radio stuff. That's where you better at.
Colors was popping out of everywhere. Yo, let me promote that for you. I got you. Everybody will hear you. Promise you. Boy,
Yeah,
takes
man.
you for years on through.
Battle man with a broke leg.
Yeah, this man. Who you at battle first?
Skinny man thing.
That was the first one. So that's the first one y'all just started.
Yeah.
So I catch y'all right in y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all early. Catch y'all. Just cherry just pop. You know what I'm
We in
saying?
LeBron mode right now. When he first came in the league.
I got you. Early Jordan. Got hair in the head still. Yeah.
I got Deke looking at you.
Man, you need to chill with these damn metaphors.
You gotta catch up, Hines. That's what it
Like
is.
I was saying though, I'm glad that y'all boys bringing this junk down for real, man. Like,
Yeah,
because we got spitters down here,
Yeah.
so it's like this is a good outlet for everybody. Like,
Yeah.
Word.
Entertainment,
yeah, I appreciate
Bars
it,
of a
man.
bullshit.
For real.
Exactly.
For real. Just being a fan of battle rap, bro. I love this. I love what y'all
Yeah.
doing.
We're gonna try to get some bigger venues, all
Yeah,
that.
like I said, I'm gonna definitely plug you with Indy. And if you plug you with her guy, I think that would be a good Virginia. Maybe it could be some Virginia. Bring some Virginia artists down. I think that'd be hot.
That's all I'm gonna say.
No, I mean just a networking. I'm on the networking
No, I'm
aspect.
just
I ain't talking about who
saying,
gonna eat who.
Bring them, just
I
make
ain't talking
sure
about Fat Man versus Miss Fat Man.
They bring when they come, bring their best, cause I don't want nobody come down here for nothing.
Oh, man.
Waste all that gas money, you know what I mean? Like I said, I'm not cocky, I'm confident.
Yeah, I got you.
Can't beat nobody, scared to lose, ain't scared to lose, you know what I mean?
I like that. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's like Biggie with the Ready to Die.
That's how it is.
Well, let me ask you this question real quick for you. No problem. What do you feel is missing to bring SC to the majors or get them to respect us as a major?
I think everybody
It's
need
like
to
a trademark
stop
question.
hating on each other and just start working together, man.
I was gonna clap for that.
You know what I mean? Let somebody bust the door open and everybody follow. You know what I mean? Like you run, like if you playing football, running back gonna run the ball, but it needs a fullback to get, into the secondary to keep it moving.
Nice.
Everybody just need to stop hating, man.
That's
Work
bottom
with
line, right?
everybody. Work with everybody. It don't matter what your feelings is, man. You trying to eat, we all trying to
Yeah,
eat.
nobody made it yet, you know. You know what I'm saying? We all on the harbor reaching for the yachts. Colors is back, so that BS has to stop.
You know it. You know it.
Shit. That's what it is, man. Those to watch, we can, go to some mute.